Hey, how's it going? So the other day, yesterday, I made some different conversations, but I realized we didn't have any about pets and we didn't have any about the weather. So I wanted to go ahead and fix that. So let's see where we left off here. This is our branching dialog code. Alright, convos 2. Alright, let's see here. Okay, convos non-problem text only. This writes. So. No, below. Below. Not above, below. Ah, thank you. Okay, so we are going to read all data equals JSON dot load F. Right? I need to know what the structure of it is because I don't remember what I did yesterday. Okay, let's go up to the top here. Get ourselves the ChatGPT library. I'll try not to dox myself again this time. It was kind of annoying. I had to clip the end of my video. I was just trying to check my usage, but they show you like account details on the OpenAI site. I am kind of curious how much I've charged, but I don't want to dox myself, so. Maybe if I'm navigating to it, I'll click pause. Because I am curious how much I charged, and I don't know, maybe you are too. Maybe not. Probably not. Alright, let's see here. Yes. I wish there was a better way to do. Well, there is. There you can use OAuth too, but this is fine. All right. Okay, so we want to come down here, see what we have. Expected. Try. Yeah, don't. There is no try, only do. Okay. Okay, so it's a simple list then. List of dictionaries, and then let's see the first entry. 7,977 stories. Ava speaking to her coworker Liam in a coffee shop during lunch break. 4 interactions. How was your day? It was good. What'd you do this morning? All right. So, yes. All right. Let's do Bob and Sarah. So it's just text, and then the grade level. Yes, we'll have to apply the grade level later. That shouldn't be a problem. So I don't want to mess with this JSON structure that we used before. That was a little bit crazy. I think we'll just use some simple recursion. So num branches equals 1. Depth equals 4. Description equals Bob and Alice are discussing the weather. Like that. For interaction. Dialogue. So let's see. Okay. Please generate the first line of a dialogue. Description. Yeah. All right. Why is it indenting? Note that you are not writing the full dialogue. It should be a name followed by a colon followed by what the speaker said. Returned as JSON. Example. Yeah. Paul, how was the fishing trip? Like that. It should be able to infer what I'm talking about. Please return only JSON. Please return only JSON. Remember, you are only adding one line of dialogue. Okay, so JSON.load s response of text equals text so far. Yeah, and then we're going to say, I don't know, assert assert text so far dot split colon 0 dot strip in okay, so this makes sure that we are actually got some print text so far. Alright, invalid format specifier. That is legitimate. How many times am I going to make the same mistake? Okay, Bob, did you see the forecast for this week? All right, sounds good. Okay, now we want to make the branching component. So, full interactions equals like list, and then we will say our remaining yeah, I guess that's it. Okay. Global num branches. Global. I don't like this. Let's put this right here. Alright, num branches equals 1. So we're just going to make a very simple single dialogue. Yeah. Text so Oh dear, I've used that before, haven't I? Let's do current text. All right. Okay. Okay, current text. Please look at the following conversation. Then we'll say current text. Note that you are not writing the full dialogue. This is a 4-line dialogue that alternates between two speakers. Your job is to add the next line of dialogue. Note that you are not writing the full dialogue. Yeah. Format your response like this. Should be a name followed by a colon followed by what the speaker said, returned as JSON example. How was the fishing trip? Okay, please return only JSON. Remember that you're only adding one line of dialogue. Okay, and then we're going to say global full interactions. That's for, when we get to the end. Okay. I think we have global. Wow, I cannot type description. Okay. Response. Parsed. Yeah. So if it screws up, it screws up. But for now, I just want to see if it can do a single branch. Okay, num branches. And then... Okay. If... I think global has to be the first line. If rem is less than or equal to 0, then full interactions append current text strip. Okay, response parsed. We're going to say rem -1, current text plus response parsed. And that should give us a 4-line dialogue without any branching. So let's see how this works. Print full interactions. Run. Boy, that was fast because I didn't call the function. Remaining is 3, right? So it does it at 3, and then it subtracts, and then it's 2, and then it subtracts, and it's 1. And then it calls again, but it's done. Okay, let's see how this works. right now we're not branching at all, of course. Does seem like it's taking longer than I expected. Should only take a few seconds. Oh my God. Let's try that again. Okay. Did you see the weather forecast this week? I did. It looks like we're going to have a lot of rain this week. That seems a little redundant, but whatever. I hope it clears up by the weekend. Me too. I'm planning a picnic. Okay. That's fine. That is a conversation. So let us let's figure out how we add this here. So all data. Okay. Print list of all data dot keys. True. Okay, so description, text, grade level, and we don't know the grade level. So I'm gonna have to get the grade level code. You know what? Let's just do that right now. Here we're going to convert to objects, and we will say to objects equals I for I in full interactions. Except we want dictionaries. So it will be text I, grade level 0.0 for now as a placeholder, and description is, well, description. Okay, then where did we have the grade level? Please work. Grade level, boom, boom, boom. Calculate grade level. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, this is imported? Really? It's that simple? I thought it was more complicated than that. Okay. So calculate grade level of I. Okay, they're discussing the weather. How was it? It was, well, grade level 1.8 looks absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and add that. I don't want to erase it. I want to be able to generate more. Well, let's do that. Let's generate more. So I don't think we need that many about the weather, but let's do 27 plus one that we already have. So this is a 4-line dialogue. You're not writing the full dialogue. You will write 4 different possible responses. 3 different possible. So yeah. we will see. So it should get the parsed text assert length of response parsed equals 3. And then let's change this to response parsed list. And all I for I in response parsed list. There we go. So if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I do need it to show me what it's doing in case I screwed up. Okay, Alice, Bob. Okay. All right. So we're going to say for response parsed raw in response parsed list, and then response parsed equals response parsed raw text. Okay. Text so far. Show me the whole thing, please. Please show me the whole thing. Okay, that looks good. Yeah, I'm really worried about this. Let's see. Please check my code. Okay. Trailing comma. I did include a trailing comma, didn't I? No, I got rid of it. Oh, that one. Okay, for loop overwrites response parsed. Okay, expand a dialog. Expand dialog, full interactions. Okay, this is probably better. What's worse it can do? Screw it up. Current text, full interactions, and a description. Three remaining interactions. Text so far. Full interactions is the list, and then the description is what we pass. So let's see if this works. How many did we get? Looks like we got quite a bit of invalid JSON. Print length to objects. is not very much. Look, I gotta be honest, this doesn't look like invalid JSON to me. Oh, I see what it's doing. Okay. It's saying that it is JSON, but this is it. I got it. Okay. Where do we actually parse the JSON? JSON.load s. And then we want the response is a string, so we've got a response.find. So we want from the first one to the last one. Like that. That should prevent a lot of the branching problems too. So if we see no invalid JSON, then it should add, what, 27? We already have? All right, let's see what we got. Okay, we have 31. I think this is a success. So let's go ahead and add these into this. So where's the right code? Non-problem stories. What did we call it? Just all data. That's fine. Okay, so while x in while x, what? No, while two objects c equals two objects dot pop, and then all data dot append c. So this'll clear our list, and then this goes in here. Obviously, if we do this, then we don't want this to be populated anymore. All right. So okay, Convo's non-problem data. Convo's non-problem data. There were 7,977 before, and now there's 8,008. So Bob and Alice are discussing the weather. John and Lily are discussing pets. Please generate the first line of the dialogue. Note that you're not writing the full dialogue. It should be okay. So, all right, what happened? Oh. That is completely legitimate. Okay, John and Lily. Have you ever thought about getting a dog? All right. You know what? I think that is a good start. whatever. Okay. Yes, no, I'm not sure. Let's see. Dewey, Alice, Bob, John, Lily, right? John, Lily, Alice, Bob. Okay. Prompt GPT for 3. It will provide 5. Its 5 is 5. So that should generate 125 pet dialogues. They will be oddly dog heavy, but we'll just deal with that. So here we go. It seems to be going a lot faster and a lot smoother than last time. Once again, I should probably have parallelism, but oh well, whatever. Okay. I wonder if it'll generate all 125 without an issue. I think I'll redo it with, do you have any pets or something like that. Nice weather we're having. I thought this was going to be so quick. Like, quick little 5-minute video adding dialogues. How naive I was. Okay, so this will print the number of items that are being added. 125 exactly. So let's go up here. John and Lily are discussing pets. So, text so far is, have you ever thought about getting a dog? Lily, let's say, text so far. John is, do you have any pets? Actually, the other one was John, so let's start this one with Lily. Text so far. And then we should be able to generate 125 again. And this will allow for other pets to be mentioned. You know, a little bit of cat vocabulary, especially right at the very beginning. Repetition is good. I think that when I was writing that English lesson, I'm like, no, I'm saying the same thing over and over. You have to say the same thing over and over again. It's not like I'm not writing a novel, Foreign language students need to see the same thing over and over again until they get used to it. And some of it isn't even, recognizing the vocabulary. It's just the idea of decoding text at all. Okay. I wonder how you would make this parallel. All right. Once again, I have a dog. What breed is your dog? It's a golden retriever. Let's see what was. Oh, I can't, because I wrote it all. So for I in range length of 2. length of all data minus, I don't know, 100. Length of all data text equals all data of I, comma, not comma, you know what I mean. Oh my god. Name data all found. It's not supposed to be data, it's supposed to be all data. Paradigm shows object of type bool has no okay, that was a weird typo. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. That's cool. How long have you had him? He's been with me since he was a puppy. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. That's cool. Uh-oh. Oh, no. This is correct. Because these are the branches. I have a dog. I don't have any pets. No, I don't have any pets. I used to have a cat. Alright, okay, cool. These are the dialogues. And that's great. And everybody